who is the senior consultant in urology and liver transplant at BIK Super Specialty Hospital in New Delhi, on the dais. I invite Dr. Rahul Yadav, sir, on the dais. I also invite Dr. Aditya Kumar Sharma on the dais. Now I request Dr. Vaibhav to present the bouquet to Director, sir. I request Dr. Vaibhav to present the bouquet to our chief guest, Professor H.S. Patial.
We have a long way to go. I expect more energy. Everybody is one hand is
I invite all the luminaries to light the lamp.
Dr. Mona is there and uropathologist is there. Please come on the stage, Dr. Mona.
Now invite the Director, sir, to speak some few words first.
respected Dr. Patial, Dr. Rahul, Dr. Aditya. I can see the colleague Dr. Mona is there. And all the delegates who have come to attend today's workshop. I know it is going to be a long day for you all to learn the technique. And I'm really lucky to have these two young surgeons who are really organizing today's workshop. And I think they have this is the second workshop within a span of 2 months or 1 month, I think. So it shows that things are happening. And I'm really lucky to be here in the morning and listen to Dr. Aditya's talk. And that is why I immediately asked whether there is any cut in the stay of the patient, because that is ultimately matters to the hospital administrators. But at the same time, when I was listening to the presentation, I'm glad, most of the time Dr. Rahul and Dr. Aditya comes to me and ask for, we need this and we need that. And definitely it is for the upliftment of the department and for the institute. But I'm so glad that what I have seen today, that each of the person who is working in the hospital or any organization, if they keep the key person in the center and organize the things, I think then things are done as far as administration is concerned. So today's workshop, I was listening, it shows that the key factor is always the patient. They have kept the patient in the center and have started working. And this technique, particularly the spine position, and when I was listening to the talk, definitely when he shows that the patient comfort as compared to the prone position response is much higher, and definitely when the surgeries in the front instead of the back, so it has to be there. So that is one thing. Basically, the outcome in the patient care is important. And then, as he was saying, that it is can save the cost of the traps and other consumable required. So definitely it is another thing which will be of use to us, and definitely for the benefit of the patients. And then number of surgeries, because time and again I get the references from various people, and people come to me, डॉक्टर राहुल के यहाँ पर 3 महीने की डेट मिली, 4 महीने की डेट मिली है सर्जरी के लिए. I feel proud basically that our hospital is doing so many surgery, and still they are giving dates after 6 months or after 3-4 months, and patients are coming to me for pre-appointment. But they are doing themselves now. If they can do more surgery in a day, definitely the waiting time for the surgeries will decrease, and ultimately the beneficiary are the patients, not only of this area but as a whole from Delhi, and people are coming from outside Delhi also, because you know that as far as Delhi government is concerned, we are the only center for doing the surgeries to the city. And I really want that it is a one-day workshop, I believe.
Yes.
So I wish that during the day, wherever the doubts are there, I know that these two young surgeons are really good at. So you can have interaction, do the various during the live workshop, whatever you have minutes of doubt, you can do, and you can even advise to them wherever you feel that this can be done this way or that way, because it is always 2 ways. You can workshop, I believe, is there to learn the experience, to share their day-to-day experience, because you're all seasoned surgeons and you are working in your area. So if it is going to be of use to our hospital, definitely we will advertise, and whatever the help is required, and in the future also any delegate required to come and have the observation or the experience in the department, I welcome that, and I wish all the success for the 2 days workshop. Thank you very much.
I'm thanking Director Sir for motivating words, and I know everybody is eagerly waiting to start the operative session, because that's the key attraction for today. Quickly, I will request our chief guest, Dr. Bhatyal sir. He doesn't need any introduction. Everybody knows him so well. He's a so senior urologist, and he is so close to our heart, because he was instrumental in getting us here. He was our interviewer when we came to join this institute. So we have a special place for sir, and I request sir to say a few words for encouragement. Thank you.
Respected Dr. Sheval, Director of the Institute, and my dear friends, in particular Dr. Rahul and Dr. Aditya. I know them so well. Well, I tell you one thing. The field of puncture surgery in kidney, it actually is the main status to identify urologists, particularly so an endourologist. The urology has expanded so much now that one has to attribute himself to one particular subspecialty of urology to excel in those fields. I can tell you, the first PCNL I witnessed was 1985 when I was doing my MCS in AIMS. Dr. Gumpinger and Miller came from Germany to demonstrate. They did one case and they failed in the second one. We never had this exposure. It was Dr. Bapat in India who was the pioneer of PCNL in Pune, who started, and we only know, few of you must have not been born at that time. He innovated the technique of rotating the patient by tying the ropes to the patients. And we as residents have seen that, which you can never imagine to see that. You are very lucky to see that there are so many people to guide you. But we were those people when we had to run around to learn these things, so much you can imagine. I really appreciate these two guys to innovate, to popularize this particular technique on their own. Because I only know when I went to Pune for 10 days to see how PCNL is being done. I came back to R&R hospital and I started the first PCNL here, did my first 25, 50, 100 as they are doing it now. It is pretty difficult to establish a particular technique and to impress upon the people who are doing another technique that this technique, if not superior, maybe in par to the technique. And they have put in their best efforts to establish this technique. They are now the leaders in this particular technique in PCNL. It is another one more armamentarium for the endourologist. You can have prone position, you can have supine position, you can have mid-prone position. Because we started in prone position, then mid-prone position came into the vogue. So we did a couple of cases in mid-prone, but we found that it was not very comfortable. So we carried on with the prone position. Many of you must have attended Parkan. I have been a part of Parkan for about 5 Parkans when I was in that group. And you must have seen various people coming and doing these techniques. Very shortly, the faculty of this hospital will be enlisted as one of the best faculties to demonstrate this particular technique in endourology conferences to come forward. I wish them all the best. Thank you.
I would request now everyone we will now be moving to operation theatre. So this part of the ceremony here is over, and now everybody will change in the operation theatre, and we'll start with the surgeries quickly. Okay. Thank you so much.
Sir, good morning.